Hello and welcome back to the Powerbank Expert YouTube channel. Today we're going to be unboxing the RAVPower 20000mAh power bank from RAVPower. As you can see on the packaging, there's not so much going on. It's just the logo and the name of the brand on top of it. Now let's go ahead and unbox the power bank. As you can see, the first thing we see here is the power bank itself. It's quite portable and it's just about a little bit heavier than an iPhone 11. The next thing that comes here is the user manual, which contains information on how the product can be used. The next thing that accompanies the power bank is the Type C to Type C port cable. That's actually the only thing that comes in the packaging. So the power bank only comes with this cable. Now we can go ahead and examine the power bank itself. The general feel and look of the power bank is quite satisfying. As you can see, the brand's name is written at the front of the power bank. At the back of the power bank is the manufacturer text and information that includes the specifications of the power bank. On the other end of the power bank are two charging ports. There's a Type A charging port and the second one is Type C port. They both offer fast charging. Just by the side you can find the power button, and as you can see, the power bank comes already charged with 3 bars. So far I am quite impressed by what I'm seeing. I like the general design and I like how it's not so heavy, and I look forward to actually using it. Thank you again for joining us. See you next time. Bye bye.